Everyone, this is Mario again. Today, it's gonna be a little interesting. I'm going to try to mount this fan and show you some speeds on it from the ceiling. Even though I'm not gonna wire it to the switch, but I'm gonna wire it through the ceiling to the breaker. I can still use the pull chain on it. Now, well, I usually run into issues with it. And well, as you can see, it moves a lot of air, especially for its size. Also, I forgot to explain about the mounting issues. Falls down when it runs at too high a speed. Because the mounting brackets have not enough support. It moves lots of air because it has a little bit of a big blade pitch for WW. And yeah, spin down. It spins down quite quickly. The rest of my WW fans over the Chatham take a bit of time to spin down. This is one of the two that have a quick spin down, that have cardboard blades. The other one's my WW Chatham. So yeah, I can see there, even with all this extra support, it falls whenever it runs at a very high speed. I'm trying to show you at a very high speed without it falling by adding extra brackets, but for now that's how it goes. I'll be demonstrating the rest of my WW fans as well. And I already gave you some running tests of a few. So, I got 2 additional mounting brackets right now. I'm not using them for anything, so I might use them for extra support on this one. And how I'm doing it is I'm going to put one on each side. There are 8 holes on the canopy, so every 4 holes I'm going to put one. So there you go. I'm gonna attempt to mount it with the additional mounting brackets. There you are. So, now that I got it mounted, I think I should try to show you on a very high speed how it runs. Yeah, it's not very supported. I'll be right back. I'll see the best I can do to mount it at high. This is the best I can do. Dual support with tape on the sides. I left the extra mounting brackets on as well. Now let's see this. Yeah, tape works surprisingly well. The main mounting bracket already came loose. The extra ones are still in place, and the tape is still in place. Another full speed run. Every time it goes on full speed, it loosens up the canopy and the brackets. That's not good. Never did that with any other fan, though. It might just be the force I put into this, because it's very difficult to run a fan. Just your hands, not a motor at all. At low speed, it's static. If I push it without much force, it stays up there. And the wobble issues. Pull the pull chain. Also no issues. However, there is a slight irregularity in the brackets, because besides the pull chain. Here's a reverse. Well, I'll try to speed up. The best I can do. Be coming up. Gave a few spins, and as you can see, not good. Survived the first two, but 3 of the 4 extra supports popped loose on the third one. The fourth one is just barely clinging on. So I'm going to do the brackets. Well, I'll demo it. Here's an estimation of low, estimation of medium, and an estimation of high, which is quite powerful. So powerful that it knocks the brackets loose. So I hope you enjoyed. I'm down here. that'll be basically it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and if you think I need more mounting brackets, more support for this fan so that will just stay in place, then please give me a comment down below. Thank you. Thank you a lot. My channel's almost at 50 subscribers, so let's keep extending that number. Thank you.